Chapter 3 Polynomials. Polynomials is most important in your life for the board examinations as well as for your life designing or any other competitive examinations also, for polytechnic sets or else any other competitive exams is most important. Polynomials. Already you have known in earlier classes about polynomials. It is in Telugu Bahupadalu. Polynomials means Bahupadalu. Already you have known in earlier classes some of. What is a polynomial? It's a polynomial, an algebraic expression in which the variable involved have only non-negative power is called a polynomial. A variable expression, algebraic expression means, for example, 2x plus 5, it's a polynomial. In algebraic expression, it is an algebraic expression and which satisfies expression in which the variable involved. So variables means this is variable 2x plus 5 and y square plus 3y plus 6, y square plus 3y plus 6. It's a variable. It's a variable. Here the variable y, here the variable x. Involved have only non-negative power is called polynomial. So non-negative power means, what is the power of this? X power 1. What is the power here? 2. 1. So non-negative means, here actually we have non-negative means whole numbers. Whole numbers. Integers or non-negative means w equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. These are non-negative integers. Non-negative integers. The powers only, the number of non-negative integers only, not negatives. Minus 1, minus 2. So, these are called the polynomials. Polynomials. Here in the polynomials, know the concepts. Know the concepts. If you know once the concept, long lasting forever along with you. Long lasting forever along with you. You won't know the concepts of the polynomials. Here in polynomials, they are very important. What is a polynomial? What is not a polynomial? These are for examples for polynomials. For example, if any 2x plus 5 is a polynomial, 1 by 2x plus 5, it's not a polynomial. It's not a polynomial because 1 by a equal to 1 by a power n equal to what? A power minus n. For example, this is 1. This can be written as 2x plus 5 whole power minus 1. Then power minus 1 is a negative. So it's not a polynomial. And also y square plus root y plus 6. It's not a polynomial. Or else root 3y plus 6. Root 3y plus 6. Is it a polynomial? It's not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. Because what is its power? Its power is 3y power 1 by 2 plus 6. 1 by 2 is not a non-negative integer. It is the rational number. It is fraction. So it's not a polynomial. Polynomials are in the form. These are only the polynomial. Did you get clarity? What is the polynomial? What is not polynomial? Degree of a polynomial. Degree is most important. What is the degree of the polynomial? So degree of the polynomial, it is, for example, 2x square plus 1 and x square minus ax plus 6. Y plus 2 and z minus 1. What is the degree of the polynomial? So degree of the polynomial is the highest power of the variable. The highest power of the variable is the degree of the polynomial. Did you get the point? Highest power. Here, actually 2x square. This is the power. 2x is x square minus 3x plus 6. Which is highest power? 2. The degree of this polynomial is 2. Here x square minus 3x plus 6. What is the degree of the polynomial? 2. Y plus 2. The highest power. There is no power means there is 1 is there. There is no power means 1. Here, what is the degree of the polynomial? 1. For example, x power 8 minus x plus 1. What is the degree of the polynomial? 8. Highest power. 8 is the degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. It's most important. Remember that word and know the concept. What is the degree of the polynomial? How can we calculate degree? The given polynomial. And one more thing, coefficient. It's very important. Coefficient of a polynomial. Coefficient of a polynomial. Coefficient means in Telugu gunakamu. Coefficient of a polynomial. What is coefficient? Coefficient means it is the multiple of the variable. It's a multiple of the polynomial which is variable. Multiple. Here, what is the coefficient of x square? The coefficient of x square means the multiple of x square. What is multiplied by x square? 2. 2 is the coefficient of x square. Here, what is the coefficient of x? Minus 3. Minus 3. It is with symbol. With sign also we take. Not only just number. With symbol also. E plus, no problem, x square plus 3x plus 6. What is the coefficient of x? 3. 3 means it is plus 3. Plus 3. What is the coefficient of x square here? There is no number 1 be there. Always 1 be there. We assume that 1 be there. Here, coefficient of x square is 1. Coefficient. What is the coefficient of z? 1. And here, for example, minus 2x square plus 3x plus 1. What is the coefficient of x square? Minus 2. Did you get clarity? What's coefficient? You don't forget the concept. Before going to exercise, recall all these. Know all these. Already I explained what is polynomial, what is not polynomial, and degree of a polynomial, coefficient. And constant of a polynomial, constant. Here in the polynomial, the terms which don't have the variable, it's called the constant. Or else the variable power is 0, it's called the constant. Here in the polynomial, what is the constant? Without variable, it is constant. Constant term 6, constant term 2, constant minus 1, constant 1 plus 1. These are the constant terms. Constant terms, they don't have the variables. Constant terms. Constant terms, they don't have the variables. Okay, next. And now I am going to the exercise. Exercise depend. Here, now you can tell yourself, if p of x is equal to, find coefficient of x power 5. Here 5x power 7 minus 6x power 5 plus 7x minus 6 is given. Polynomial. Coefficient of x power 5. Here, what is the x power 5? What is coefficient? Already explained. Minus 6. X power 5 is minus 6. And degree of p of x. Can you say? What is the degree? The highest power in the polynomial. The variable highest power. X power 7. Degree of p of x is 7. Only we write 7. Constant term without variable term. So minus 6. Minus 6. And here in the second one, state which of the following statements are true and which are false. Give reason. Statements are true or which are false. The degree of the polynomial. The degree of the polynomial. Root 2 x square minus 3x. The degree of the polynomial. What is polynomial? Root 2 x square minus 3x plus 1 is root 2. Is it true? How can you find out the degree? What is the degree? The degree of the polynomial is the variable power, highest power of the variable. Here the variable is x, highest power 2. It is a false. False. First one is false. Second also, the coefficient of x square in the polynomial. Coefficient of x square in the polynomial. P of x equal to 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 7 is 2. Coefficient of the polynomial P of x equal to is 2. The coefficient of x square in the polynomial. But x square coefficient, what is the x square coefficient? Minus 4. But here too, it is false. False. The degree of a constant term is third. If okay, third one. If p of t equal to t square minus 1. P of t equal to t square minus 1. Find the values of p of 1, p of minus 1, p of 0, p of 2, p of minus 2. It's most important. These are also will be given in 2 marks as 1 marks. Okay, given. Listen carefully. P of t equal to t square minus 1. P of 1 equal to P of 1 equal to P of t equal to t square minus 1. P of substitute in the place of variable t equal to 1 in the place of variable. Here t equal to 1 square minus 1 square what? 1 into 1 1 minus 1 0. That's it. Very easy to do. Next, P of minus 1 P of minus 1 equal substitute in the place of variable t minus 1 whole square minus 1 whole square means plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0 plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Next, P of 0 substitute again t 0 square minus 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 0 minus 1. P of 2 substitute 2 square minus 1 2 square 2 into 2 4 minus 1 3. That's it. P of minus 2 whole square. When the given value is minus, take bracket minus 2 whole square minus 2 whole square means plus 4 minus 4 3. That's it. Copy down. Check whether minus 2 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial x power 4 minus 16. Here new word, zeros of the polynomial. What is zeros of polynomial? Let P of x equal to x power 4 minus 16. P of x equal to. If P of x equal to 0, then the x is the 0 of the polynomial. For example, if we substitute minus 2 as x, P of minus 2 equal to 0, minus 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Otherwise, not. Substitute P of minus 2 equal minus 2 whole power 4 minus 16. Minus 2 whole power 4 means whole power even number minus changes to plus 2 power 4 16 minus 16 equal to 0. P of 2 minus plus 2 whole square whole power 4 minus 16 2 power 4 2 power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 minus 16 16 minus 16 equal to 0. P of minus 2 equal to 0. P of 2 equal to 0. Therefore, minus 2 and 2 are zeros of given polynomial. Given polynomial. Zeros of given polynomial. That's it. Cut it out. Zeros of the polynomial P of x. Very simple. P of x equal to x square minus x minus x. 3 and minus 2. P of 2 equal to P of 3 equal to square minus 3 minus 6. 3 square 9 minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 0. And P of minus 2 whole square minus 2 minus 6. If substituting value is a minus value, we put bracket like this: minus 2 whole square plus 4 plus 2 minus 6. 4 plus 2 6. 6 minus 6 0. Zeros. Therefore 3 and minus 2 are the zeros of the given formula. 3 and minus 2 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Okay, copy down. Children, tomorrow onwards, I'll strictly check out each and everyone's notes. Already I have finished 2 chapters. We are entering 3rd chapter. So daily watch video twice or thrice and understand. Copy down which I explained on board, and also clear the home task which is given. Okay. P of m equal to m square minus 3m plus 4. Find the values of P of 1 and P of minus 1. Okay. These are for